Pomelli, an AI-powered marketing tool from Google Labs, is designed to be a game changer for the millions of small businesses and creators across India. Pomelli isn't new. It's been live in the US, Australia and Canada since late 2025. We have of course seen the feedback. The West called it a first draft machine. Reviewers in Sydney praised the speed, campaigns in under 5 minutes, but New York agencies, well, they were very critical, calling the outputs generic, going on to say that it lacked soul and couldn't replace a human. You know what? They missed the point. In the West, design is a luxury. In India, design is a bottleneck. For a boutique in Bandra, for example, or a cloud kitchen in Koramangala, generic but high quality isn't an issue. It's actually an upgrade. It destroys the "I have a cousin who knows Photoshop" modeler. And here is, of course, the shift. Pomelli scans your website. It extracts your business DNA, colors, fonts, vibe. In the United States, this was a nice to have. In India, this is the end of jugaad branding. No more WhatsApping grainy logos to a printer. No more Canva templates that look like, well, everyone else's. The Photoshoot feature, powered by Gemini Nano Banana, takes a phone photo of a saree or a sneaker and puts it in a virtual studio. Lighting fixed, background swapped. It actually turns a bedroom business into a brand that looks like it raised Series A funding on Shark Tank. Impressive. But technology without distribution is pointless. And Google knows this, which is why the Reliance Jio partnership is the real story. And of course, if you have thought that this is another app launch, think again. Pomelli is being woven into the very fabric of digital India. 18 months of free access is beyond a trial. In fact, it is long enough to become routine. And it doesn't speak in just one voice. Beyond English, it works in Hindi, Tamil, Bengali, Marathi, meeting users in the languages they actually use every day. Oh, and of course, by the way, it understands the calendar. It knows Diwali isn't just bright lights. It knows Holi isn't just colors. Pomelli's campaign generator is culturally tuned. It builds narratives and not just translations. It creates hyper-local ads that feel like they were written by a local copywriter, not a server in California. And here, of course, is the front page take. In the West, tools like Pomelli were often about convenience. In India, the appeal is more direct, which is cost. For millions of MSMEs, it could mean access to branding and creative tools that once required an agency or, for that matter, a retainer. And for now, this is at no charge. The dividing line is fairly clear. Large agencies, with their focus on long-term strategy and positioning, are unlikely to vanish overnight. But you know what? The freelancer charging 5,000 rupees for a basic logo, the intern filing a feed with stock quotes, their margins, well, may feel the pressure first. Pomelli Animate, built on VEO 3.1, turns static posts into short-form video, ready for platforms that reward movement over stillness. It is designed to keep content flowing and timelines active. Please do let us know what do you have to say about this in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and as always, think AI, think AIM.